Hello and welcome to How Logical. I'm about to teach you how to find your contacts on Snapchat. These processes will help you find your contacts on Snapchat. Open the Snapchat app on your phone. Go to the profile on the top left-hand corner and settings on the top right-hand corner. Scroll down until you see contact syncing. Press on it and then enable share contacts with Snapchat. After you do so, you could go in Add Friends, and then you could press on All Contacts. After you press on All Contacts, all of your contacts which is saved on your phone will be visible on Snapchat. Hope the video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more. See you in the next video. Until then, take care, goodbye, and please comment your queries down below. Thank you.